If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to pull the trigger on a Corvette Z06, that moment might just have arrived. For years, enthusiasts had to deal with sky-high prices, with some dealers even marking up the price of a brand-new Z06 to outrageous levels. Just a couple of years ago, in Volo, Illinois, a dealer was asking $375,000 for a Corvette Z06, practically a heist in broad daylight. Fortunately, those days are now behind us, and the Corvette Z06 is finally starting to return to affordable territory, making it an excellent time for buyers looking to get behind the wheel of one of America's most iconic performance cars. A perfect example of this change in pricing is a recent Corvette Z06 that just sold for a fraction of its original MSRP. A riptide blue metallic Z06, which initially came with an MSRP of $154,020, was recently auctioned for only $131,000 on Bring a Trailer, with just 227 miles on the odometer. This deal represents a $23,000 discount, making it a clear indication that Z06 prices are returning to a more reasonable level. This specific Z06 is one of the most well-spec'd examples you'll find. It features a number of pricey options, including the Z06 Ultimate Performance Package, which adds the Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, Z07 suspension, and sticky tires. The car also boasts a visible carbon fiber aero kit, including a massive rear wing, front dive planes, and a new front splitter, all adding to the car's aggressive, race-inspired look. This is far from the only Z06 being sold for much less than its original price. Just last month, a similar Rapid Blue Corvette Z06, despite carrying an MSRP of $155,970, was sold for just $125,000. That's another substantial markdown, especially considering the Z06 reputation as a world-class performance machine. Both of these vehicles come with a clean Carfax report, the owner's manual, spare parts, and 2 keys, making them an attractive buy for those seeking a near-new car without paying full price. The allure of the Z06 extends beyond just the price drop. It offers serious bang for your buck compared to its rivals. To get into a Porsche 911 GT3, you'll need to fork out a minimum of $224,495 in the US. While the Porsche is a fantastic car, the Z06 is just as capable and offers tremendous performance, especially considering the 5.5-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine producing 670 horsepower. When you compare that with the Ford GT, which still commands a price upwards of $1 million, the Z06 seems like an absolute steal. Sure, the Ford GT has a limited production run and is known for its exclusivity, but in terms of driving experience, the Z06 stands its ground, delivering world-class performance for a fraction of the price. What makes the Z06 even more compelling is its mix of raw performance and daily usability. Unlike many other supercars that are difficult to live with day to day, the Corvette Z06 strikes a balance between cutting-edge technology and user-friendly practicality. The 7-speed manual transmission, for example, offers enthusiasts the opportunity to truly engage with the car, which is a feature often missing in other performance cars today. If you're looking for pure driving pleasure, the Z06 checks every box: power, handling, design, and now a much more affordable price tag. Looking ahead, it's likely that the prices for these low-mileage Z06s will continue to trend downward, especially with the 2026 models on the horizon, which will feature an updated interior. If you've been thinking about making your move, now is the time to get a practically new Corvette Z06 at a price that's hard to beat. In summary, if you've been dreaming of owning a Corvette Z06 but didn't want to pay the inflated prices from a couple of years ago, now is the perfect time to get one. With a substantial price drop, low mileage examples, and incredible performance, this could very well be the deal of a lifetime. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own one of America's best performance cars at a price that seems like a steal.